So first up, I've put down these wheat things, so this wheat field, on the road that I made. Behind the camera. Next up, I put a wooden fence to it so that it looks more realistic. And now I'm going with the vegetation, so with the plants and the bushes. Those who watched my other video will know this technique. And yeah, this is the vehicle I'm gonna use for this video. It's the SDKFZ 251, and it's made by the Brick Crew. I've put these stickers there to make it look more realistic, and also the backpack. It has space for 3 minifigures, and yeah, the tracks can't move unfortunately, but the wheels on the front can. But it's pretty solid and pretty good build. Yeah, so next up we have the minifigure that I'm gonna use. It's this German soldier with this camouflage helmet that I made myself, and these arms. So I've gave him a cigarette that I also made myself, painting it white and red, and I think it's a cool addition to this guy. And now that we have all, let's build it all together. Put the SDKFZ there, the guy there, some boxes, letters, and a shovel. And yeah, that's the final mock.